So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows Security. Now, you're going to right click on it and then click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now, you're going to click on Reset and then click on Reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in Check for Updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Check for Updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now, you're going to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the code, which will be down below in the description. So you just want to highlight this, do Ctrl-C to copy it, and then come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. Wait for this. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the last method, just try doing a restart of your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.